Welcome to Hay River, the Northwest Territories. My name is Robert. I would like to introduce you to my invention, the Pellets on Demand system. The system I have invented eliminates the handling of carrying the 40-pound wood pellet bags into your home. The pellet system has been invented for bulk delivery and also for rural areas that don't have access to bulk can still use the bags, still eliminating having to go outside in some cases at -35, carrying those 40-pound bags one at a time inside the house when needed. If your pellet stove is in the basement or on the second floor, the physical demand increases drastically having to carry those bags, therefore becomes a deterrent for not using wood pellets as a source of energy. In some cases, the homeowner will order 3 skids of pellets at a time so they can receive a better price on the pellets. But at the same time, as we know, 3 skids of pellets takes up a lot of room. With my system, I will show you how it eliminates having these skids of pellets sitting around, whether it's in the homeowner's driveway, garage, or simply by the house taking up space. The system consists of 3 components. The hopper that contains 1 ton of pellets or more can be used for bulk pellets, and also with the access door we can have the bags dumped into the hopper. The second part of the system is the wall mount unit. This one receive the pellets from the hopper by a flick of the switch. The wall mount unit gets full and we have access on the other side with the access door that can be in the basement, on the second floor, or in this case for the homeowner we have it on the main floor beside the wood pellet stove. The advantages of having this system, as previously mentioned, we don't have to go outside all the time to carry those bags. This skid of pellets, for an example, when we have 3 or 4 in your driveway, takes a lot of room. Some people sometimes in the wintertime put them in a garage, eliminate the use of the garage for their vehicles. The other option that I mentioned also is that with the hopper, we can, where available, we can fill this up with bulk pellets, and also if you have the bags, we simply take the 40-pounder and you can dump the pellets into the hopper. Just like this. Lots of plastic when we use the bags. When we're going to use the bulk with the system that I also invented, we can eliminate all of this plastic and obviously make our contribution to save the planet. This hopper here, this is the prototype we designed. It's going to be revamped. We're working on another system right now. It's going to be automated. You won't have to flip the switch. Everything will be with sensors. When it's empty, it's going to be refilled. So the homeowner or whoever uses it will never have to come outside to take bags or to turn the switch on like this one here. Very simple system, very effective, and a lot of convenience by using this. Okay. Okay, now that you see the outside portion of, part 1 and part 2 of the Pellets on Demand system that includes the hopper and also the wall mount unit, the best part is obviously for the customer is inside. What we have to do to get to pellets, you don't have to go outside to carry the bags anymore. You have your little bucket and you just have to lift the door and it's that easy. That it's at 2 o'clock in the morning, late afternoon, you come back from work, it's still storm outside, it rains, whatever reason, you don't have to go outside anymore. Again, the only thing you have to do is lift the door and you have the pellet. And the good advantage about that is that you can have your pellets 24/7, 7 days a week, and also 12 months a year, as the hopper can sit there and it's waterproof, airtight, and all that, and it's very good. That you are also having a pellet stove in the basement. This unit can also be installed in the basement. Same thing, you don't have to go up and down with the bags. If you go on the second, if you have your pellet stove for some reason on the second floor, the wall mount unit and the little door is also on the second floor. We have it in the Hay River. We did a few installs and it works perfect. Welcome again to the Pellets on Demand. My name is Robert, and what I want you to see this afternoon is what we call the version 2.0 of the Pellet on Demand system. In the video that you saw earlier, we have what we call, the hopper made of wood and paneling and all that. We came up with a new design that we call basically an egg-shaped type of design. This one here, the Pellet on Demand system, that is made of plastic. And this is the hopper here that you see with legs, and also the wall mount unit will basically be the same as the hopper, smaller scale, and that will represent basically half of what you see here for the hopper. The hopper will contain 1 ton of pellets, and obviously the hopper, the pellets from the hopper will be transferred into the wall mount unit on the side here, and this system here will be a fully automatic, meaning that when the wall mount unit is empty, it will trigger a switch with the mechanism on at the bottom there that will transfer the pellets from the hopper into the wall mount unit. This system too, that is very different than what we have there, is the fact that it is constructed into an egg-shaped type of design is going to be in 2 parts, and what we're going to do, it's going to be what we call the nesting, which is going to make it a lot easier for transportation, obviously, and cut the cost when shipped. Here, I don't know if you can see it, here we have basically 2 hoses. One will be for the air, the other one will basically carry the pellets from the truck. It could be a 10-ton pellet truck, it could be just a tote bag, it could be a container in a pickup truck. It doesn't matter, as long as you have the system that I've designed. We will be able to transfer the pellets from the vehicle or whatever device you're using. We'll be able to transfer the pellets into the hopper itself, and we can transfer probably like a ton within 30 minutes. So the system to fill is very easy, very efficient, and also very inexpensive if you compare to other mode of blowing pellets into hoppers that we see across the country and across North America and above. The other thing that is very important about this one here is that we're going to have an access door that you're going to be able to dump your pellet bags into the hopper itself if you don't have access to bulk. In different regions that's going to be mainly impossible for now, but if you have access to your bags, instead of carrying them inside, you just dump them in there and the trick is done. And then you have your little door inside, as you've seen on the previous video, that gives you access to pellets 24/7. So this is our new design, version 2.0, the Pellets on Demand system.